Hello everybody. Okay, today I want to share with you about a new topics. A new topic today is yet another Boeing plane has a problem. Okay. Frankfurt, Germany, CNN Business Boeing had another dash of bad news Tuesdays as the announced its 777H plane, which is still under development, fell as safety tests. No one was injured in the test, which took place Fridays in total bid binding. The wing of the plane while it was parked on ground. Boeing said the test been the wing to a level 4 beyond and anything expect in commercial service that problem caught 99% of the way through the test, but during the test the rear part of the false legs depressurized, according to the Boeing statement. A person familiar with the test said one of the door came off the plane. The company said it is now examining the test result to determine the cause of the problem. Alright, share of Boeing B8 fell from high of the day on news of the failed test, but by mid-morning trading share was still 1% higher on the day, showing investors were not shaken by the report. The plane is not yet in service and it is debut had already been pushed back because of problem with a new General Electric GE. Again, the GE9H, the world's largest commercial jet agent. Boeing said doesn't believe the failed test will never significant impact on aircraft. Alright, this is Boeing, Boeing. Okay, thank you so much everybody for listening to me today about news. Thank you for listening. Okay, bye bye.